Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas and I'm an ERP consultant specialized in finance for VFIS. We are basically an IT consulting firm specializing in cloud-based enterprise resource planning, known as ERP, business intelligence, and B2B web development. And the solution that we provide is Business Central 365 from Microsoft. So today I would like to show you guys some nice features of the Charter account in Business Central. But before that, I would like to discuss with you some important point about the Charter account. So let's start. So, what makes a good Charter account? Basically, a well-designed Charter account will easily provide the information that you need, whether it's for reporting, performance analysis, or even for the needs of your bank. Let's say you have some ratio to be respected. So you need the Charter account to be able to provide those information. Also, it will also let you make a decision more efficiently. Basically, if you have all the information at hand, you will need further analysis to get the information. Let's say you need an Excel spreadsheet that must be function in parallel to your Charter account, so you can get the information you need. Well, that's not an efficient way, you know. So your Charter account will also need to be able to be flexible enough for you to add more accounts. Let's say your activities change, you have new activity, or you have a new division and you want that division to be reflected into your Charter account. Well, you need to have enough space between your accounts to be able to add more GL accounts, right? So by having a well-designed chart of account and the information that you need that can be easily provided, it will also ease off the month-end and year-end procedures, right? So why are we talking about this? Basically, when we start an implementation, one of the first things that we do is we sit down with the client and we discuss about his Charter account, and we want to make sure that the Charter account really answer his need and also show them what Business Central can do with the Charter account. So let's take a look. Here we have an example of a Charter account from Business Central. Nothing special here. Well, you have your categories, subcategories, account categories, and sub-account categories here. But what's it's interesting here, it's the account type. You can have beginning total account, posting account, and also end total account. Basically, the beginning and end total goes together. As you can see here, for the cash and deposit category, we have our sub-accounts, and the total here is the sum of all these accounts. So that way, you can have the sums of the categories that you need right at your finger without running any trial balance with filters or running any account schedules. And also, your sub-account can also be related to your financial statement. It will all depend on how you want it to be designed. And yeah, so let's say you want to see all the information for the categories of the account without having the details of each GL account, because if you have like a big company, you can have like a lot of GL account, and it can become very overwhelming. So what you need to do is go to the filter pane, choose account types, as you can see here, or you can also click on the column and there's a filter button, and here we will choose and total. So by just doing a few clicks, we already have the information right there. And we can also play with the filters and remove all the accounts that are equal to 0. So there's a lot of things that we can do. And I would like to get your attention on these 3 columns. Show you that with one charter account, we can see many information. You have here the balance column, which consists of the balance of the GL account as of today. You have the balance at date, which is the balance of the GL account on a given date in the date filter, and the net change. It's basically all the transactions that happen on the date or on the information that you enter in the date filter. So here I entered like March 1st, 2018, and as you can see, the balance at date on March 1st, 2018 would be that amount, but the balance of the GL account will be that amount as of today. And there's nothing that happened in that day also. So let's take a look on how we create a new GL account. It's really simple. All you need to do is click on the plus new button. So here we have so many fields, but we're just gonna look through the main one. GL account number. This is an obvious one. This is the number that you will enter for your GL account. Let's say I want to create a cash account. Say minus 650, and the name. It's obviously the name of your GL account. It can be okay, I will just write something random like cash for something. And then you have your income and balance field. Here you will decide whether it's a balance sheet account or income statement account. Here it's a balance sheet. For account category and account subcategory, those fields are used for account schedule that are produced from BC. So account category, that would be an asset. And this category here is cash. Since these two fields, there are many used for account schedule and Business Central. These are also very customizable. So debit credit, it's if the accounts, it's a debit or credit account, but we will take the both option. So you can really have a debit and credit in the same account. The account type, as we seen earlier, we can have like a beginning, ending total, and posting. We'll choose posting here. Total is not needed since it's not an end total account. Search name, it's automatically populate with our name. Reconciliation account, it's needed when you need to do some reconciliation for journal entries. Then you will just click on the button here. Direct posting, that one's very important. It's mainly used for, well, it's yes by default, but for accounts that contain sub-ledgers, we will remove the direct posting because every transaction, all the transaction has to run through the sub-ledgers. That way, your GL will always balance with your sub-ledgers. So we're talking about like inventory, AR, AP, and cash, of course. Block, if the account is not needed anymore, you can just block that account here. For the posting, You have all the posting group here, which is another subject to be discussed in another video. For consolidation here, let's say you have many companies. Business Central allows you to have many companies, as much companies as you want, and you want to consolidate them. Here it would be the GL account, which that account will be consolidated into. Usually the best practice is to use the same account for all the companies. So here you will put like the same accounts. And for the consolidation translation method, that's for the translation of the foreign exchange. And for monetary account and the balance sheet, we would use close grade. So that's it. And as you can see, everything is saved as you go. So there's no save button. And you just press return here. So we have our account here. And the last thing we need to do is to indent a new account. So in order to do that, we go into the process and we click on indent. That's for the beginning and total as we saw earlier. And we just press yes. That's it. So if you would like more information or have any question, please visit our website at www.vfis.com. So thank you very much for listening and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.